Let's say if your manager asks to consolidate the list of employees from HR, finance, marketing, procurement, sales, and legal, then first thing which will go into your mind is to just copy the data, and then after that paste it over here, and then copy the next data, then paste it over here. And if you continue doing it, and it's going to take a lot of time, and this is not a productive way to do it. Now let's see how we can do it in a more productive and efficient way. And I'm going to tell you two options. One which will that VSTACK, and there is a new form function has been created by Excel, which will help you to create more dynamic. The consolidation makes very easy, and it eliminates errors and blank cells. Now let's look at the first option, which is VSTACK equal to then VSTACK, open the bracket, and after that you select the data, comma, the next data, add a comma, and then continue for the remaining data. Once you select all the data, then you will close the bracket and press enter. Now you get all the list of employees here. The problem here, I intentionally put an error and a blank cell. Now VSTACK doesn't eliminate the errors, which we have to do it manually or putting another formula. To solve this issue, we have another new function which is available, which is called is equal to call. Open the bracket. This is very much easier way to consolidate the data. How you do is select the entire employee list. After that, add a comma. Now we have 0 to 3. What it says is, if I select 0 and false, which means it's gonna scan the rows, close the bracket, press enter, I get an entire informations which is entire cells which is available over here. So it includes the error message and the blank. Now if I want to change it from 0, and then the first option is to ignore blanks. What it will do is it will ignore the blank cells, and then you will have only the error message. Now if I want to remove the errors, then I will select the option number 2. Then it will remove the error, and then it will include the blank which is available on the data. Now if I want to remove both of them, I'm gonna select the option called the third option, which ignores blanks and errors, right? So if I select this option and press enter, I'm going to get the consolidated list of employees, and it will remove the errors and the blank cells. It is the easiest way to consolidate the data. When you have large sets of informations which need to be consolidated, this is one of the easiest way to do it. So I hope this video is useful. If yes, please share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.